Have you ever found yourself surrounded by items that no longer bring you joy or serve a purpose in your home? It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but tidying is about creating a space where you can truly thrive. I'll walk you through practical steps to declutter your space and preserve meaningful memories. Together, we will simplify your surroundings and rediscover joy in the everyday. Watch until the end for tips to transform your space and find peace in your life. Let's begin our tidying journey by confronting a common source of clutter: outdated paperwork. The accumulation of old bills, receipts, and documents can easily overwhelm. Approach paperwork with purpose and intention. Create a dedicated filing system with labeled folders. This makes it easier to find important documents. Set aside time to sort through old documents, identify essential papers, and discard the rest. Shred, scan, or recycle what's no longer needed. A clutter-free space starts with mindful decisions. The kitchen, often considered the heart of the home, should inspire creativity and nourishment. Cluttered with unused or duplicate items, it hinders our ability to cook and enjoy this space. Evaluate what you use most frequently. Favorite cookware, sharp knives, essential utensils deserve prime spots. These tools bring joy and ease to your cooking routine. Store seasonal appliances in less accessible cabinets. Free up counter space for daily use. Create a sense of spaciousness. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it serve a purpose today? If not, thank it and let it go. A clutter-free kitchen allows the joy of cooking to flow freely. Inherited items connect us to loved ones, but their essence lives in our hearts, not objects. Choose pieces that spark joy and hold deep sentimental value. Display them to honor their history and complement your decor. Letting go can be an act of love, creating a home that sparks joy. Books have a magical way of transporting us to different worlds, expanding our knowledge and sparking our imaginations. Our bookshelves often reflect our personal journeys, filled with stories that have touched our hearts and minds. As we grow and evolve, so do our reading tastes and interests. Take a moment to connect with each book on your shelf. Does it spark joy when you hold it in your hands? Does it inspire you to learn, grow, or simply escape into its pages? If a book no longer resonates with you, or if you can't imagine rereading it, consider it an opportunity to share its magic with others. Donating books to libraries, schools, or shelters allows them to continue their journey, inspiring new readers and sparking joy in different hands. Remember, a curated bookshelf is a reflection of your current interests and aspirations. By keeping only the books that truly spark joy, you create a space that invites you to relax, learn, and embark on new literary adventures. Our homes are dynamic spaces meant to evolve alongside us. Just like our personal styles change over time, so should the decor that surrounds us. Take a moment to observe your surroundings. Does your decor reflect who you are today? It's easy to accumulate decorative items over the years, but if these items no longer resonate, they might be creating visual clutter. Tidying is about creating a space that brings you joy. Refresh your surroundings with intention. Choose decor that speaks to your heart. Let go of anything that no longer sparks joy. Surround yourself with items that truly resonate. Closets, often overflowing with garments, can become sources of stress rather than joy, but by applying the KonMari method, we can transform them into serene and functional spaces. Let's begin by acknowledging the garments we no longer wear. The 1-year rule is a helpful guideline. Hold each garment in your hands and reflect, have you worn it in the past year? If not, it's a sign that it may no longer serve you. Release it with gratitude for its service. As you let go of what no longer sparks joy, you create space for the garments that truly reflect who you are today. Remember, tidying is not about discarding, but about consciously choosing what brings you joy and allowing those items to enhance your life. Consider organizing your remaining clothes by category: tops, bottoms, dresses, and then by color. This visual harmony will not only please the eye, but also make it easier to find what you need, simplifying your daily routine. Sentimental items often hold a special place in our hearts, connecting us to cherished memories and loved ones. However, it's important to remember that the joy lies not in the sheer volume of items we keep, but in the precious memories they evoke. Rather than holding on to every single item, consider creative ways to preserve the sentiment without the clutter. Digitizing old photos, letters and documents allows you to revisit these treasures digitally, freeing up physical space. Another option is to create a dedicated memory box or scrapbook for smaller keepsakes. Choose a beautiful box that sparks joy and carefully arrange your items, adding handwritten notes or dates to enhance the experience. Remember, the goal is to cherish the memories and emotions associated with these items, not to burden ourselves with an overwhelming quantity. By thoughtfully curating and organizing sentimental items, we create a space that sparks joy and honors our past in a meaningful way. When it comes to furniture, it's essential to prioritize function and flow within our homes. Too much furniture can create a sense of congestion and hinder our ability to move freely and comfortably. Take a moment to assess each piece of furniture in your home. Ask yourself, does this piece serve a practical purpose? Does it provide comfort and relaxation? Does it contribute to the overall aesthetic and energy of the room? If a piece of furniture no longer sparks joy or serves a clear purpose, it might be time to consider letting it go. Embracing multifunctional furniture can be a wonderful way to maximize space and functionality. Look for ottomans with hidden storage compartments, coffee tables with built-in shelves, or beds with drawers underneath. By choosing versatile pieces, we can create a home that is both stylish and highly functional. Neglected storage spaces. These areas often become catch-alls for things we don't use regularly. But even these spaces deserve our tidying attention. Decluttering restores balance and creates peace throughout your home. Start by selecting one storage area. Empty the entire space? Ask yourself, does this spark joy? If not, thank the item and let it go. Organize what remains. Clear storage bins are great for visibility. And don't forget the power of labels. Labeled bins make it easy to find what you need. A well-organized storage space is a joy to behold. Transform chaotic catch-alls into serene, functional parts of your home. Neglected maintenance tasks often weigh heavily on our minds, creating a sense of unease and incompleteness. But just as we tidy our physical belongings, we can also tidy up these lingering to-dos, creating a sense of lightness and accomplishment. Start by taking stock of any outstanding maintenance needs. Is there a burnt-out light bulb that needs replacing? A wobbly chair leg that needs tightening? A leaky faucet that needs attention? Write down each item, no matter how small. Now, prioritize these tasks based on urgency and ease of completion. Tackle one item at a time, celebrating each small victory along the way. Remember, even the smallest act of repair or maintenance can bring a sense of satisfaction and restore harmony to your surroundings. As you address each task, consider whether you have the necessary tools and supplies on hand. A well-stocked toolbox can empower you to handle minor repairs with confidence, and don't hesitate to seek professional help for larger or more complex tasks. Our bathrooms should be havens of peace and rejuvenation. Yet often our medicine cabinets and drawers become cluttered with expired medications and toiletries, creating a sense of disarray and even posing potential health hazards. Let's bring the KonMari method to these often overlooked spaces. Begin by emptying your medicine cabinet and bathroom drawers completely. Discard any expired medications safely, following proper disposal guidelines. Check with your local pharmacy or community centre for safe disposal options. As you sort through your toiletries, consider whether each item is still in good condition and brings you joy. Have you ever opened a lotion or perfume only to discover its scent has changed over time? Our senses deserve fresh, vibrant products that enhance our well-being. Once you've decluttered, consider using small labelled containers to organise what remains. This not only maximises space, but also makes it easier to find what you need, transforming your bathroom into a sanctuary of serenity and order. Our homes should be havens of peace, yet technology clutter can disrupt that serenity. Old phones, tangled cords, and outdated gadgets can weigh us down. Begin by gathering all your electronics in one place. Ask if each item sparks joy or if its purpose has expired. Let go of outdated electronics with gratitude. Recycle responsibly at designated e-waste facilities. Sentimental items hold a special place in our hearts. They're tangible reminders of cherished memories, but too many can create a sense of stagnation. Let's explore how to honor them with intention. Gather your sentimental items in one place. Curate a collection that speaks to your heart. Many of us hold on to unfinished projects, don't we? These tasks often become burdens, cluttering our homes and minds. It's time to face them with honesty and compassion. Let go if they no longer excite you. Create space for new beginnings. Oh, the just-in-case items. We keep them tucked away, convincing ourselves we might need them someday. But how often do we actually use them? They sit untouched, taking up space and creating clutter. These items stem from a fear of scarcity. True abundance comes from letting go. Trust you'll have what you need. Ask yourself, is this fear serving me? Our homes should be our sanctuary. Release these items to create space for joy. Trust in your ability to navigate the future. Just as nature goes through cycles of growth and renewal, so too should our belongings. Our outdoor equipment can often become neglected and forgotten. Take a mindful look at these items. Ask yourself, have I used this in the past year? Letting go is a beautiful act of self-respect. Donate or recycle responsibly. Create a space where every item is used and appreciated. The junk drawer, a common sight in even the tidiest of homes. Start by emptying the entire drawer. Yes, everything. Lay the contents out and sort them into categories. Use small boxes or trays to keep things organized. Now, your junk drawer is a well-organized and functional space. Holiday decorations bring back warm memories and joy, but holding on to everything can overwhelm our spaces. Approach decorations with gratitude and let go of what no longer serves. Ask, does this still bring me joy? If yes, find a dedicated space for it. Clear bins with labels, keep decorations organized. If no, thank it and release it with gratitude. Donate, pass it on, or discard responsibly. Maximize holiday joy by creating space for new traditions. Let go of what no longer sparks joy for a peaceful holiday season. Congratulations on taking these steps towards a more joyful and peaceful home. Remember, tidying is not a one-time event, but an ongoing journey of mindful decision-making. By incorporating the principles of sparking joy and respecting our belongings, we create a home environment that supports our well-being. As you move forward, remember to be patient with yourself and your progress. There will be moments of overwhelm and perhaps even a bit of nostalgia for that old sweater you decided to let go of. But trust in the process and the positive impact it will have on your life. If you found these tips helpful, please let me know in the comments. Share your biggest takeaways and how you plan to incorporate these principles into your own tidying journey. Remember, even small steps can lead to big changes. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards a more joyful and peaceful home. May your space always be a reflection of your happiest, most authentic self.